Sadhiarani M Sangma MDC kurim Senith M Sangma Thep Kyrteng Iakhun hak elekshon shiteng samoi na Gambegre kyrtong na seng Trinamool Congress hak arpulai tarik Risaw. Kani longkmie kade ke MDC kynthei marwei iingdobar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.
I, Sadhiarani M Sangma, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 56th Gambegre ST Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, I do swear in the name of God, I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Itulah dalo ya kami constituency ni kita dalo candidate ni nomination file ka ha manang kami constituency ko changatham dal na khangkhung changatham chakati anga kami ni noksik nokpak sak chiko nanga re nikmanjuk kami rio banga nangani rang ganang mungsong batere road connection mo nigban warang ko nga ba ang ni kita mana dupet chegen chimo yang orang ko kham kanang da joton khagen haru na ke ba banga nangani rang di maina kami constituency de takple khangarangan bang bata majority an khangal ya kan naman gen manigwan wa mangko mai takko de bisuni jangi thangani gadang ko thang do bat naman gen warang nanga ding thang chorang purai maina chingde pures ke dongjagin chimo ba sini bolam bo jangi thang parong thang kan thang chorang ko guide they will never leave me. The NPP ruling party, that means Chandi's party, they are also trying their best. They are misusing their government machineries. Government machinery ko misuse khainga bisungde. Aro Gambegre ni manderanga they are very simple and they are very innocent. Aro majority of them are very poor. Unigaman, the ruling party NPP is taking advantage of their poverty. So they are distributing CGI seats, they are distributing money, they are making false promises like that. That is, it reflects their desperation.